This is Carl Viva, and he's going to recite all of the languages he can say "Don't touch my monkey."
I can say "Don't touch my monkey" in 16 languages. And no, this isn't a cheater paper. This is just because I can't always remember all of the languages. See, there are no words except the languages.
Yay!
Very nice. Alright, English, "Don't touch my monkey." German, "Fass meinen Affen nicht an." Norwegian, "Ich gehe rur abend min." Portuguese, "No taki mu macaco." Spanish, "No toques mi mono." Finnish, "Alla koska munapine." Thai, "Yama chap ling kong chen." Afrikaans, "Muni an mai api fatni." Lithuanian, "Niliesk mano bejones." Croatian, "Nedire mok maimona." Turkish, "Maimunu mualeme." French, "Ne touche pas musange." Slovakian, "Nechitai moyo opitsu." Polish is "Nietotekai moyo maupe." Russian, "Nietosh mayu abezianu." And then Italian, "Non toccare la mia scimmia."
Whoa!
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are you still making the